This is how my van looks like. The first thing I want to do is upgrading the headlight. Once your hood is open, you'll need to remove the original headlight by pushing back and up those to pieces. Back and up. Unplug the light. Do the same thing for the other one. This is the part 1 on 2 of this tutorial. Plug the new light and use the left stick to target where you want to lock it. To lock the light, push those back in the friend zone. The light is working. Now let's remove those two screws for the side light.